back on your media screen with another episode of What the Hell Is Zeke Doing Next? The R6 Audi. Just got through touching it up, cleaning it up. I'm getting ready to finish it up and pull it out and get it parked because I have multiple projects today. So I'm gonna do a couple other things to it, vacuum it out right quick and get it finished up. Just came in today for a maintenance detail, so I didn't have a whole lot to do to it. So my next project is the Rubicon pickup. Also came in today for a detailed maintenance cleanup. We're gonna get everything touched up, buttoned up, looking nice and pretty again. This vehicle was just purchased, so the owner had some fun with it and brought it to me to get it back to its original state. So we're gonna take time and get these vehicles cleaned up, touched up, looking nice. Together because I still have this to do. The act right is what I call it. Very nice Acura. Same thing, came in for a maintenance detail. We're gonna get everything buttoned up, cleaned up, touched up, looking nice again. Once I'm done with that one, I am on this Aston Martin. Return customer came back in to get it detailed. So put that wham bam thank you ma'am on it. Have some fun with it. So as you can see, I got my hands full for me today. Got the Rubicon, got the Audi, got the very nice Acura, and the Aston Martin. So we're gonna get everything touched up, looking good. Stay tuned for part 2. You guys make sure you go on YouTube and like, subscribe, and comment.